In this video, I'll show you how you can create a Steam account on your mobile device or phone. But before that, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. This guide is going to work on all different types of mobile devices. So first, open up any browser and search for Steam. Make sure you go to steam.steampower.com. So let's click on it. Go to the top left and tap on three bars. Go and tap into login in the top. So scroll down the sign in page, and as you can see, we have the option for join the Steam. So tap there. You're going to enter your email address. After you've entered your email address and chosen your country of residence, you'll need to complete the CAPTCHA. You'll need to be 13 years old or older, and then tap continue at the bottom. Now go and verify your email. This is the email which I received from Steam. So I'm going to tap on verify my email address. And there it says please return to the account creation window. So swipe back to get back to the previous page. We need to enter a Steam account name which have to be unique and choose our password. After that, go and tap done. Finally, we've now created our Steam account. If you tap on the top left in the three bars, you can see your account information and you can start purchasing games. That's all for this guide, guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!